So the first task is to set up like these are the basic setup we have already done, and then create a virtual machine. So okay, so this time we'll be creating a virtual machine with the user interface. Now we already know how to create virtual machine as we have already did in previous lab. So now let's quickly create a new virtual machine. Also I'm activating Cloud Shell. It's not required, I guess, or let's see if it's required. So let's okay, so click on three dots here, then click on create an instance, and the requirement is machine configuration. So N1 series we need, and the boot disk should be Debian. Okay, and we need to change the operating system to Windows Server 2012 R2 data center. Okay, so let the instance name be same. This is N1, boot disk is same, and where is operating system? Yes, so click on change here, and then from operating system choose R2, I guess, if I write. No, Windows. Choose Windows Server, and then in version you need to select R2 data center. R2, sorry, R2. Yes, R2 data center core. Sorry, not R2 data center core, just R2 data center. So select Windows Server 2012 R2 data center, and then click select, and just leave all of the parameters default. Let's and click create. Then we can check this task, it's completed. Yeah, instance is creating, and like instance is not yet ready, but we have completed this task. Now let's activate Cloud Shell. We have already activated our Cloud Shell. We actually do it in our lab. Gcloud auth list, these are actually not required thing because we have already logged in into our incognito window, and our current project is already set here, so no need to do this. So instance is ready, and now we need to test the status of our Windows startup. So if you'll check here, our score is 100. So actually we are done here. So you can end your lab here. But now let's explore ahead and see what they actually wanted to teach us in this lab. So Gcloud compute instances get serial port output instance 1. So the name of this instance is instance 1. Okay, this is in US Central, so type no. And yeah. And now they are telling us to RDP into the Windows server. So copy here, and we need to make some replacement here. So I will open my notepad. Let's do all the changes here and directly copy paste in the command line. So in instance we need to write our instance name. So our instance name is instance 1. You can see here the name of our instance is instance 1. So write instance -1, and as mentioned here, username should be admin. So username is admin, and now just copy it, Control C, and paste it here and run. Yeah, we need to type Y, or you can directly enter. Okay, there is an error. The instance may not be ready for use. Okay, let's wait for a while. I guess instance is not yet ready. Let me just refresh. Actually, installing Windows takes a little time, so let's try again. Yes. As Y is capital, if we directly enter it, it will consider Y. So now it's updated, and here is our username and password. So just select this text and it will be automatically copied. So we just copied our password, and now next thing is we need to click on this RDP here. Here is it, RDP. Click here. A file will be downloaded. So download the RDP file. And now let's and now using this RDP file we can launch our VM. So click here, it will open. We have already copied our password. Click on connect, it will be connecting. And more choices, click on more choices, use different account, and in the username type admin, as we have configured it as admin, and password, and paste the password as copied from here, and then click OK. And now we will be connecting to Windows virtual machine. Boom. So now we are in Windows virtual machine. We are getting logged in. And yeah, actually this is Windows for servers. It's like a normal Windows. We can use this OS here. We can do anything. See, there are many applications already installed. Service Manager, this PC, Task Manager, Internet Explorer, File Explorer. See, we are right now using this virtual machine. So now let's close this window, and in the coming labs we'll be doing a lot of configuration with it, so don't need to worry. Right now we can just close this tab here, cancel it, and this was all about this lab. So thank you so much.